A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahi ar-Rahman rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, our YouTube family. It depends where you are. For us, we are here in Uganda, East Africa. Uganda, the Pearl of Africa. Dear viewers, welcome to YASMEEN's kitchen. Today in YASMEEN's kitchen, we are going to prepare our G.Nuts mixed with Matooke. We are going to mix G.Nuts with Matooke. We have here garlic, green pepper, onion, tomato paste, Royco cheese mix, soya sauce. We have here our salt, Simba curry powder, and this is our ghee. We shall add in our ghee. We shall add in later. So dear viewers, this is Matooke. As you see, we peel Matooke just like this. Just like this. Onion and garlic. Our tomatoes and green pepper. This is our G.Nuts. More water. So let us wait for a bit. So As you see our G.Nuts, now we are going to add in our Matooke. So we are back, our Matooke and G.Nut. So let's wait for the final results. So here was our katogo. It's there, as you see. We are going to add in our cheese or ghee, whatever you want to call cheese, ghee. So let us wait for the final results of our katogo. This is our Matooke and G.Nut. We call it akatogo k'ebinyeebwa here in my local language. So we are going to enjoy our katogo. Katogo of, when you mix beans and Matooke, we call it katogo. When we mix G.Nut and Matooke, the same thing, we call it katogo. This is katogo of binyeebwa and Matooke. So dear viewers, thank you so much for watching our videos. Thank you so much for the great support. I really appreciate it. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.